Hi, I'm Jesse Thorne, America's radio sweetheart, the award-winning producer of The Sound of Young America, a public radio show about things that are awesome. Perhaps you've heard of us, read about us even, in Salon.com or Time Magazine. It's a sort of Algonquin roundtable of the arts, and particularly comedy, and I'm bringing this sophisticated soiree of sophistication to New York City's Pitt Theater in Manhattan, Friday night the 10th at 8 and 10 p.m. Our guests will include David Wain of Stella and The State, as well as stand-up comedian Heather Lawless and Kurt Anderson, host of Public Radio International's Studio 360 and co-founder of the legendary Spy magazine. If you'd like more information, you can visit us on the internet at MaximumFun.org, where you can also purchase tickets to what is sure to be the most sophisticated event of the entire party. That's MaximumFun.org.